Hi everyone, so today we're going to be deriving the equation for the volume of a cone. So we're going to start out with a simple graph, your x and y axis, and there's going to be a point here that we're going to label as h, and a point on the y axis that we're going to label as r. Alright, so in order to find the volume of a cone, we need to kind of visualize it. So visualize with me that there is a line right here, and it's being spun around the x-axis like crazy, and it's going to give you that cone. So there's your cone. Now, first off, let's find the equation of that line. So the equation of the line would be y equals mx plus b, m being your slope, so m would be rise over run. So in this case, rise going up, that'll be the r, and the run going horizontal would be the h. So that's the equation of this line. And b would be 0 in this case because we're starting at 0. So that's the equation of the line. So now to find the volume of a cone, we're going to be taking slices out of this cone and finding the area of all of the slices. So this slice, and so imagine there's a cone here. We're going to be taking the slice out of the cone and finding the area of this, and all the different slices all the way to the tip. All those areas will make up the volume of the cone. So what are we going to do to find the sum of all the areas? Well, let's take the integral. So let's set up our integral from 0 to h. We have pi r squared, because that's the area of a circle, pi r squared. Now what's going to be the r? Well, you got to remember, any point on the x-axis, your y value is going to be r over hx. So any point along this x-axis, whether it be there or here, it's going to be r over hx. That's going to be the radius. So remember that. You're going to have to understand the concept. So we have pi r squared h, don't forget that dx on the side, and we're going to bring out that pi. So pi from 0 to h, so r over hx squared dx. Work out that squared. So you're going to get integral of 0 to h, pi on the outside, r squared over h squared, x squared dx. Because r squared and h squared is a constant, so we're going to bring those on the outside. So let's bring that up here. Alright, so you have pi r squared over h squared, integral of 0 to h, x squared dx. And we're going to find the integral of the x squared. You want to increase the exponent and divide by the exponent. So pi r squared over h squared. To work out the integral, you're going to get x cubed over 3 from 0 to h. And to work out that h, plug that h into the x, so pi r squared over h squared, h cubed over 3 minus, if you plug that 0 into x, 0, everything will be 0, so that makes it easy for us. So you're going to cancel out the h's. That'll leave you with pi r squared h over 3. That's the volume of a cone. And there you have it.